What we got here is a Range Rover Sport 2017, and what we've done is we fully retrofitted in factory style CarPlay onto the original system. So you can see it comes with a big 10-inch screen, and now what you do is you press and hold the phone button and it will switch over to the CarPlay system. It's all wireless as well, so no wires are needed. Fully wireless CarPlay. You can use your original touchscreen to control it. Now you can use all your favorite apps right on the screen. Sound also comes with the original system. So you can have your music playing. You can always switch back to your original system as well. Also, your reverse camera still functions as well. If you want this retrofitted on your vehicle, give us a shout. Check the link down below. And thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.